So guys, my name is Harshit Patel. I am pursuing BTech from KIET group of institution. This is the final assignment for Skyfi Labs analysis of the building. This is the problem statement. Story 1 to 8, this is the plan. Story 9 to 14, this is the plan. Story 15 to 19, this is the plan. Story 20 to 23, this is the plan. Dead load is same, 2 km per meter square. Live load is different. Live 1 to 8 story 5 km per meter square for story 9 to 14, 4.5 km per meter square. Story 15 to 19, 4 km per meter square, and story 20 to 23, 3.5 km per meter square. These are the column sections, these are the beam sections. We will use auto select method. And HYSG steel bar 500, mild 250 for rebars, and M40 grade of concrete slab, 150 mm thickness, grade is M40. Auto draw cladding method is used, and wind load is for Bangalore, that is 33 km per hour speed as given in IS code. Let's go to ETABS. This is the ETABS software. I want to show you the material properties I have defined. M40 as given in problem statement, HYSD 500, and mild 250. Sectional properties, frame sections. As given in problem statement, beam and column are defined similarly. Beam auto select, which includes all the three sections, and column auto select, which includes all the three sections. Now I will show you the stress diagram. Shear 2 to shear stress diagram is shown. This is the shear stress diagram. Similarly, we can use display tab for many options. We can use movement, shear, movement, and different axial force. This is the axial force diagram. And design, as I have designed previously, we will go to concrete frame section, and we will verify that all the members have passed the design check. This shows that all concrete frame pass the design. That this means our design is beautifully done. Thank you.